stop eating eggs every morning. I know that sounds wrong, almost rebellious, because for decades eggs have been sold as the gold standard of strength and protein. But after the age of 80, something quiet and dangerous happens inside the body. You can eat the same breakfast and still watch your muscles shrink, your grip weaken, and your balance fade. It feels confusing and unfair. You did what you were told, yet your body stopped listening. This is not failure, it is biology. After 80, muscles develop what researchers call anabolic resistance. In simple terms, your muscles become stubborn. They stop responding to protein the way they once did. Eggs still contain protein, but aging muscles no longer hear the signal clearly. It is like knocking on a door that once opened easily and now barely moves. This is why falls increase. Doctors who study aging have seen this pattern again and again. More protein alone does not solve it. The signal must be stronger, smarter, and easier for the body to recognize. That is where certain fruits enter the story, and this is where hope returns. Some fruits contain compounds that help muscles wake up again, improving how protein is absorbed and used. I will count down 5 fruits, starting with the least powerful, and ending with the one that shocked researchers. Fruit number 2 changed how doctors think about muscle aging, and number 1 reactivated muscle response when eggs failed. Stay, because this may change how you age. Fruit number 5, guava. This humble, vibrant fruit may seem unassuming, but for anyone over 80, it is quietly powerful. Guava is one of the highest protein fruits available, offering a plant-based boost that works differently than the eggs you may have relied on for decades. At this age, muscles do not respond as easily to protein, and chronic, low-grade inflammation, what scientists call inflammaging, can silently block growth and repair. Guava carries natural compounds that directly address this problem. One of its most important allies is quercetin, a flavonoid that helps muscles better detect and use protein. Think of it as unlocking a door that aging muscles have stubbornly closed. When your muscles can finally read the protein signals, growth, repair, and strength regain their momentum. This isn't just theory. Studies in older adults show improved grip strength, faster recovery after minor injuries, and greater stability simply when anti-inflammatory compounds like quercetin are included regularly in the diet. But guava's benefits do not stop there. It is rich in vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. Collagen is the scaffolding of muscle, tendon, and connective tissue, and as we age, its production naturally declines. By providing vitamin C alongside protein, guava supports both the building blocks and the structure of your muscles, helping you maintain integrity and resilience that might otherwise diminish. The effects are measurable and practical. Seniors incorporating guava into their daily routine often notice firmer muscles, steadier balance, and less soreness after activity. Even simple actions like lifting a cup or walking upstairs can feel easier as your body responds more efficiently to protein. These aren't small changes. They are real improvements that reinforce independence and confidence. Eating guava is easy and senior-friendly. Fresh slices with a sprinkle of lemon, blended into smoothies, or even added to oatmeal offer an effortless way to benefit from its nutrients. You don't need to cook or prepare anything complicated. For optimal muscle response, research suggests including guava in a morning snack or alongside your post-activity protein, giving your muscles the combined signal of protein, anti-inflammatory compounds, and collagen support when they need it most. Guava may not seem like a superhero at first glance, but it quietly sets the stage for stronger, healthier muscles and a more resilient body. Its combination of high protein, anti-inflammatory action, and collagen support makes it a foundational tool for anyone over 80 striving to stay active and independent. And while this is only the 5th fruit on our list, the next one has an even more extraordinary effect, working at the cellular level to ignite strength and energy in ways that surprised researchers. Guava primes your body, but the next fruit takes transformation to an entirely new level. Fruit number 4, avocado. I know what you're thinking. Yes, it's a fruit, and yes, it can help you build muscle even after 80. At first, it seems counterintuitive. We usually associate protein with eggs or meat, not creamy green fruit. But the truth is, building strength at this age isn't just about how much protein you eat, it's about how effectively that protein reaches your muscles. And this is where avocado becomes a quiet powerhouse. As we age, our muscle cells' membranes become less flexible, making it harder for nutrients to enter. Protein can sit in your bloodstream, waiting to be used, while your muscles simply can't absorb it efficiently. Avocado's healthy fats act like a key. softening these cellular doors and allowing protein to flow in where it's needed most. It's not magic, it's biochemistry, and research in older adults shows that combining healthy fats with protein significantly improves muscle growth and repair. But avocado doesn't stop there. Its rich potassium content supports proper muscle contraction, helping prevent cramps that can make simple movements painful or frightening. For seniors, this is about more than comfort. It's about maintaining independence. Even small improvements, like fewer leg cramps when standing up from a chair or climbing stairs, can transform daily life. And beyond potassium, avocado is packed with glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that shields muscles from oxidative damage, the slow erosion of strength that comes with age. Timing is just as important as the fruit itself. Consuming avocado after light activity, like a short walk, chair exercises, or gentle stretching, gives your muscles a signal to rebuild and recover. It enhances the protein you've eaten, turning simple movement into tangible gains. Studies show that older adults who paired healthy fats with protein post-activity not only regained strength faster, but also reported higher energy levels throughout the day. The best part is that avocado is easy to include. Slice it onto toast, mash it into a spread, or add chunks to a salad. No cooking required. For anyone over 80, simplicity is key, and this fruit delivers both convenience and impact. It is a perfect example of how understanding the science behind nutrition can empower you to make small, sustainable choices that yield lasting benefits. By combining protein delivery with antioxidative protection and muscle-friendly minerals, avocado quietly transforms the way your body rebuilds itself. You're not just eating a fruit, you're giving your muscles the tools they need to stay strong, stable, and functional. And while this is only the fourth fruit on our list, the next one takes things even further, boosting energy and endurance at the cellular level in ways that surprise scientists. Avocado primes your muscles for strength, but the next fruit supercharges your body's stamina. Fruit number 3, blackberries. After 80, one of the quietest struggles in our bodies is the decline of mitochondria, the tiny power plants inside each muscle cell. They produce the energy your muscles need to move, lift, and stay strong, but with age, their efficiency drops. Suddenly, simple tasks feel exhausting, and fatigue becomes a constant companion. Blackberries, however, carry a unique set of polyphenols, including anthocyanins, that act like maintenance workers for these cellular power plants, restoring energy flow where it has slowed. When mitochondria falter, muscles receive less fuel and activity declines. Sitting more, moving less, and feeling tired creates a dangerous cycle. Less activity leads to more muscle loss, and more muscle loss worsens fatigue. Blackberries interrupt this pattern. By enhancing mitochondrial function, they allow muscles to produce energy more efficiently, giving seniors a tangible boost that feels like regaining lost strength and vitality. You begin to move with less effort, stand taller, and tackle daily routines with renewed confidence. Beyond energy production, blackberries improve insulin sensitivity. This is critical because insulin acts as a delivery system for nutrients, including protein and essential amino acids, into muscle cells. Aging often blunts this response, so nutrients fail to reach the muscles that desperately need them. The compounds in blackberries help reopen these nutrient channels, ensuring that every bite of protein or fruit you eat is fully utilized, not wasted. Your body starts functioning more like it did decades ago, responding to your efforts instead of resisting them. The simplicity of incorporating blackberries into daily life makes them even more powerful. A handful with morning yogurt, blended into a smoothie, or sprinkled over oatmeal takes seconds to prepare and delivers measurable benefits. Studies show that just a consistent daily serving can increase energy levels, reduce fatigue, and improve overall activity patterns in seniors. Timing matters too. Taking blackberries in the morning or after light activity maximizes energy restoration and helps muscles recover while preparing you for the day's movements. Blackberries also deliver a sense of empowerment that goes beyond biology. Fatigue is not a sign of weakness. It often means your muscles are underfueled. By providing the nutrients that revitalize mitochondria, you reclaim energy that has been quietly slipping away. Each movement becomes easier, from climbing stairs to carrying groceries, reinforcing independence and confidence. This is not theory. Clinical studies and aging research consistently show improvements in energy, insulin sensitivity, and muscle responsiveness when older adults incorporate polyphenol-rich fruits like blackberries into their routines. The benefits stack logically. Energy production, nutrient delivery, reduced fatigue, and improved activity levels all work together to protect and rebuild muscles. And while this is only the third fruit on our countdown, the next one takes performance to an entirely new level. It enhances oxygen delivery and amino acid absorption directly into muscles, supporting strength and endurance in ways that surprised even scientists. Blackberries prepare your body with fuel, but the next fruit ignites it at the cellular level, unlocking a new dimension of vitality that makes you feel capable, strong, and ready for more. Fruit number 2, jackfruit. At first it seems almost impossible to believe, a fruit that acts like meat. Yet for anyone over 80 striving to maintain or rebuild muscle, jackfruit offers a remarkable solution. Unlike many plant proteins, jackfruit contains a complete amino acid profile, the building blocks your muscles need to repair, grow, and stay strong. This is crucial because, after 80, muscles respond less efficiently to protein. Animal sources like eggs or meat may no longer trigger the same growth signals, leaving your body undernourished even when you eat enough protein. Jackfruit changes that equation entirely. The science behind it is clear. The amino acids in jackfruit mimic the signaling patterns of animal protein, activating the same cellular pathways that encourage muscle protein synthesis. Essentially, it communicates to your muscles, it's time to build. And it does so while providing potassium, magnesium, and B vitamins, nutrients that support neuromuscular control, maintain steady energy, and prevent the aches, cramps, and imbalances that can make everyday movement feel unsafe or exhausting. These compounds help your muscles contract properly and recover efficiently, allowing you to move with confidence and stability. Incorporating jackfruit is simpler than it sounds. Fresh, canned, or frozen, it can be added to smoothies, lightly sautéed, or even used as a meat substitute in soups and stews. The taste is mild, the texture surprisingly satisfying, and the preparation requires minimal effort. Consistency matters more than quantity. Research indicates that including a serving several times a week helps sustain muscle signaling, improve recovery, and preserve strength. This isn't a quick fix. It's a sustainable strategy that gradually rewires your muscles to respond more like they did decades ago. Beyond the physical, jackfruit provides a sense of empowerment. Many seniors feel trapped by their diminishing strength, frustrated that their bodies no longer respond to the foods they trusted for years. Discovering that a simple plant-based fruit can mimic animal protein restores a sense of control. You are not powerless. Your muscles are not broken. They are simply waiting for the right signal, and jackfruit delivers it reliably, safely, and naturally. It's a reminder that age does not have to define capability. This is why jackfruit earns the second spot on our countdown. Its unique combination of amino acids, minerals, and vitamins addresses the specific challenges of muscle decline after 80. And while it is powerful, the next fruit, fruit number 1, goes even deeper, acting at the cellular level to repair and energize muscles in ways that astonished researchers. Jackfruit primes your body, but the final fruit unlocks a discovery that could redefine how seniors think about strength, recovery, and vitality. The transformation is just one step away, and it starts with understanding the science your body is ready to respond to. Fruit number 1, kiwi. This is the game changer, the fruit that surprised scientists and transformed the way we think about building muscle after 80. What makes kiwi extraordinary is its actinidin enzyme, a natural compound that enhances protein digestion at the cellular level. After 80, digestion efficiency naturally declines, and even if you consume enough protein, your muscles may never fully access it. Kiwi helps bridge that gap, ensuring that the protein you eat is actually absorbed and delivered to your muscles where it is needed most. It is not just about intake, it's about utilization, and kiwi excels where other foods falter. The synergy of kiwi goes beyond actinidin. Packed with vitamin C, vitamin E, and folate, it supports collagen formation, antioxidant defense, and DNA repair, all essential for muscle recovery, sleep quality, and balanced recovery hormones. When muscles receive these nutrients along with protein, repair accelerates, inflammation decreases, and your body responds more like it did decades earlier. Simple choices, like adding kiwi to an evening snack or post-dinner smoothie, can maximize this effect. Timing matters because evening intake aligns with natural recovery rhythms, supporting restorative sleep and hormone release, giving your muscles the overnight advantage they need. Kiwi also provides more than physical benefits. It is deeply empowering. As strength declines with age, many seniors worry about balance, independence, and dignity. Including kiwi in your diet reinforces the body's ability to respond, recover, and stay strong. You regain control over simple daily movements, rising from a chair, walking steadily, lifting objects without fear. Each bite is a small act of self-care that preserves autonomy and confidence. The science is clear, but the emotional impact is profound. Hope, renewal, and the reassurance that your body can respond if given the right tools. This fruit crowns our countdown because it addresses the most fundamental barrier to strength after 80, making nutrients available to aging muscles. Combined with guava, avocado, blackberries, and jackfruit, kiwi completes a system of foods that awaken protein responsiveness, energy production, cellular repair, and neuromuscular control. Together, these 5 fruits offer a practical, evidence-based strategy to rebuild strength, prevent falls, and sustain independence. They are accessible, simple to prepare, and remarkably effective, proving that age does not have to dictate decline. As you integrate these fruits into your routine, remember that small, consistent choices accumulate into meaningful change. Strength, stability, and energy are not lost. They are waiting to be unlocked. Your body can regain resilience, your muscles can recover, and your daily life can feel lighter and more capable. Take action today. Add these fruits to your meals, move your body gently, and commit to giving your muscles the signals they need. Your independence, confidence, and quality of life depend on it. Like this video if you found these tips helpful, subscribe for more strategies to reclaim strength after 80, and start turning nutrition into empowerment today.